About a month ago, I saw a news story of a woman being attacked in her apartment, not far away from where I live. So, of course, that got me thinking, what would I do if I were attacked? I didn't have a clue. I mean, I'm small. How am I supposed to defend myself against a 200-pound man? I didn't have a clue what I was going to do. I thought about joining one of the karate classes where I live, but I don't have time to go to class 2 or 3 times a week. I looked at some online self-defense courses, but I wasn't sure if I could actually learn anything online. But of course I knew I had to do something. One of the courses I looked at was ARCS Self-Defense. It had amazing reviews and I could try it for just $1. So I did. I mean, what's there to lose? It's $1. But I can't tell you how excited I am about this program. What Jeremy teaches is so easy to learn. The only thing is my boyfriend is getting tired of me practicing my new moves on him. But in all seriousness, you really need to give this product a try.